If you are still struggling with bulky gas, chainsaws, or tiring hand saws to clean up your yard, this cordless mini chainsaw is an absolute game-changer. Powered by a high-performance brushless motor, it slices through branches, logs, and thick brush in just seconds with pure, smooth power. Because it is ultra-lightweight and perfectly balanced, you can easily operate it with one hand without wearing out your arms or back. It comes packed with long-lasting rechargeable batteries, giving you the freedom to trim trees, cut firewood, or tackle yard cleanup anywhere around your property with zero cords and zero hassle. Plus, built-in safety features ensure total peace of mind every time you pull the trigger. Upgrade your yard tool collection and get your outdoor chores done in half the time. Click the link in the video description right now to check out current discounts and grab yours on Amazon today.